We have a in-house custom-built photogrammetry engine that we created to really be tailored to mining environments. And so that's what we use. And the advantages of that are the things that we've kind of tailored it for are to get very accurate modeling of bench faces, for one, so that you pick up things like undercuts and roughness on the face, as opposed to those being smoothed out. Then secondly, the processing time. So a lot of mines that we work with need very fast turnarounds. So we've really optimized this. So for a pit, it's only taking a few hours and you have the data back, you have the model back. And if it's just a single bench, if you're doing something like drilling and blasting, then you can get that back in less than 30 minutes to enable you to do things in basically real time. And then finally, this one's definitely not as unique to us, but we have the AI automatic detection of ground control points and support for RTK and PPK, so that you can get that mine survey grade accuracy that you need when you're working on a mine site. So that's step one, is basically building this 3D model out of the drone data. But the interesting thing is what happens at the same time as that, in parallel, is that we have AI algorithms that run and they analyze the model and they generate engineering reports off the back of it. Because I'm a mining engineer, we're all working in mining. We know that the output has to be a report at the end of the day. So everything that comes out of this ends up in automatically being formatted into a report, which is then easy to send out to anyone, to a mailing list, which gets remembered every time, so that you can just, as a stakeholder, you're essentially just going to just start receiving reports. You won't have to log into anything. You won't have to do any analysis. Then most people will just be receiving an email with PDF reports with useful things that will help them do their job better, make better decisions.